made a girl cow first, and somebody asked for it and it turned out they want a boy one. So I did the experiment for the other one, and I did another one. This one is the one I'm giving it. Made this one. I'm going to show, I'm making this one to show you. This cow. We are going to do the body, and I'm going to show some of it, and this chart will be at the Noni's Craft Facebook there. Do the magic ring. That's the first round. Six single crochet in it. Six, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet, and then pull 8, and you put a marker there. Okay, put the marker there. Now all chain should be double. Increase second round, this one, so it's 2 single crochet on each. You can put any color you want. This is just my experiment one. It turned out good also. Put the marker. Third round is 1 there, then 2. And 1 again, then 2. One, 2 crochets inside, single crochet. And put the marker. Done. We reached there already. Marker. Now we do 2, 1 there, 1 there, and 2. So on the third one will be 2. See that? We finished 2, 4 already, and then same thing, the 5th row will be extra 3 single crochet there, and then on the 4th one you increase 2 like that. So it will go same, just increase 4. The round 6 will be 4, round 7 will be 5, round 8 will be 6, and round 9. Round 9 I'll be showing you a bit. It is the same, but I record it, so I just show you. This is round 9. That brown color is the marker for me. See, got 7 there. 7, and then you put in 2. See that? And then you go all around. We just finished round 9. Round 10 is just put 8 single crochet on each until on the 9th one you increase. 11 round to 13 round is all the same, no increase, no decrease, so it's the same, so there's 0, the mark there. Then on round 14 you change your color, and then I'll show you what is the meaning of this BLO. See how I do halfway already. So you take only the one of it, the last one, not that both. You don't take both, you only take one. See that? You go all around. I am going to skip to round 22 because 15 is the same. You just have to know, because so far you've been following my old videos, should know, YouTube's should know already how I decrease, but I will still show on the round 22. So this is round 22. Look at it, it's coming along nicely. I put the marker there. See, round 22 is 6 single crochet there and descent on the 7th. Yeah, 6 single crochet and descent on the 7th. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then now take and pull out. And you go around all the same like that. It will be 6 times like I showed you now the round 22 already, and then skipping it to round 27. This is where we're going to close up and sew it up, and not going to close up yet. It will decrease slowly to until round 29. Then sew up the head. Here I'm going to change color. Round 27. 25 is for the girl. I'm changing color here on the 27 for the boy. So I want the collar to be higher. So 27, I'm changing the color. If it's for the girl, I change it earlier. So the pattern is for the girl. I have. So you can change where you like. When I'm changing it, look at it. I'm still following like the BLO. See that? Only take one of it. And still follow the pattern. You have to decrease. Yes, follow the pattern. Okay, going around, do the whole thing around. This is the whole chart of the body. And if it's not clear for you, you can go to Noni's craft on the Facebook to take it. Stuff in your fiber in. That's the last one. Leave some thread at the end there to sew, you know. So you look at it, I left some thread. See? That's the last one we did. See? If it decreases, you see that 6, 6 minus. This is the last one. See, 2, and then start to decrease. 1 and 1 together, hook and hook, and then do a slip stitch, make a knot and tie it up. Leave the tail longer to sew it up. Yeah, that's good. This is the head part. It's more or less, if you just follow the chart, it will be the same. The tactic is still the same like that. So more or less you know what I'm trying to say. And you can follow the body one, the style of I'm doing it. This is the arm, the hand part. I changed the color. It's for the boy, isn't it? So they need sleeves. If it's a girl, I could make it as a sleeveless. Yeah. So this one I'll be doing it, showing you now. See the girl one? Sleeveless. And then there's the strap there. This is the arm pattern. 1, 2, 3 is the same like that, like my style of doing it. Only the round 4 is kind of a bit different. This is round 4. Here you put 1 there and 1 there, and then you increase here 2. Yeah. So you do it 4 times. It will go around like that 4 times. Then round 5 will be all the same. No increase, no decrease. Same only. I skipped to round 9. See, I stuff in more cottons inside there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go round 9. See there? Round 8 finish, decrease on the 4th. Now we're going to decrease on the 3rd. Round 9. 1, 2, hook and hook, and pull together. Do same thing 4 times. The 11th round, you have to decrease only 2 times. See that? That's minus 2. So it's only 2 times. 4 single crochet, descent on the 5th. And the rest, 12 to 18, will be same. 10 single crochets all around until I'm going to change color. I will show you where I'm going to change. I'm changing in round 12, and I look at it how I change. I still do like BLO. Only take 1 thread. While you're going around like that, keep stuffing your cotton in until you finish. You leave some string to sew it. That will be next YouTube video, part 2. It's taking longer than I thought so.